Remember the fire that once burned inside you, the hunger for something greater, the belief that you were meant for more. Remember the voices that doubted you, the moments you doubted yourself, the times you settled when you should have fought harder. There was a time when complaining felt easier than doing, when excuses piled up like walls between you and your dreams. But here's the truth: complaining changes nothing. Only action does. You don't have the luxury of waiting for another opportunity if you haven't seized the one in front of you. Time doesn't pause for self-pity. While you hesitate, someone else is out there grinding, pushing past their fears, refusing to stay where they are. Will that be you? Look around. People are fighting battles you can't imagine. Illness, loss, hunger, despair. Some would give anything to trade places with you, to have just one of the chances you take for granted. Yet here you are, letting fear or laziness hold you back. You don't have the right to give up, not when you're still breathing, not when your purpose is still calling you. You were built for more than comfort, more than mediocrity, more than settling for okay. Success isn't a straight path, it's a climb. There will be struggles, setbacks, moments you question everything. But that's where growth happens. That's where you prove yourself. Stop chasing distractions. Stop feeding negativity. Stop letting doubt drown out your potential. Reconnect with the version of you that believed in impossible things. That version still exists, buried under fear maybe, but not gone. If you need perspective, walk through a hospital. Visit those who've lost hope. Stand face to face with struggle and ask yourself, are my challenges really this heavy, or have I just convinced myself they are? This is your wake-up call. Electrify your ambition. Reignite that hunger. The world doesn't need more complainers. It needs doers, fighters, believers, people who refuse to stay down. So the next time you feel like quitting, ask, is this thought lifting me higher? Is this fear worth my future? Will I look back and wish I'd tried harder? You were made to climb, made to endure, made to leave a mark only you can leave. The mountain won't move for you. You have to conquer it. And when you reach the top, you keep going. Dare to be relentless. Dare to outwork your doubts. Dare to become the strongest version of yourself. The world is waiting. What will you do now? Keep rising, keep rising.